Hello everyone, I'm Poornima and welcome back to Amma's Healthy Recipes. Recipe for the day is a yummy, tasty and healthy peanut ladoos. This ladoo is made using roasted peanuts and dates, just two ingredients. This recipe does not contain any oil or ghee. Now, these peanuts are a source of healthy fats and they give us energy. This is a very simple and easy recipe which can be made in just a minute. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's go ahead and check out the recipe now. If you want more sweetness, you can add few more dates. Our yummy and healthy peanut ladoos are ready. If you enjoyed watching this video, then subscribe, like, comment and share. See you soon with a new video. Until then, bye.